Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today it is quite difficult to find a really good rugged phone because there are so many devices on the market and difference between them is very small. We already reviewed AGM X2 SE. This is flagship rugged phone with high-end specifications and high price about $400. Also there is Bernie V2 Pro, the mid-range phone with good features and attractive price of $250. However, in this video we want to introduce you the budget rugged phone called DOOGEE S55. DOOGEE S55 looks and feels like a rugged phone. It has 18:9 display, but bezels on top and bottom are quite big. At this moment, we don't know dimensions, weight and thickness of new smartphone, but it looks bulky. On the front panel, you can see touch buttons under the screen and front camera, earpiece, light and proximity sensors on the top. The backside has leather cover with metal panel for dual camera and fingerprint reader. The mid-frame is made of metal, while corners are rubberized. It provides high protection against drops and other damage. Of course, DOOGEE S55 is protected by IP68 standard, so you can use it under the water. Also, new phone comes in black and orange colors, but the difference is in small details on front and back panels. As for the display, it has diagonal of 5.5 inches and HD Plus resolution. It is 18:9 screen, however I cannot say that DOOGEE S55 is bezel-less phone. The phone is not on sale yet, so we don't know some details about it, for example, processor. The manufacturer says about Octa-core chipset, but there is no information about model. DOOGEE S55 will come with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Most likely, the internal memory will be expanded via microSD memory cards, but it is not exactly. Among other features are GPS, GLONASS, compass, barometer. Also, the new phone support dual SIM LTE. DOOGEE S55 is equipped with dual rear camera from Samsung. There is 13-megapixel main sensor and 8-megapixel secondary sensor. The front camera comes with 5-megapixel sensor. Both cameras are wide-angle 80 degrees. Once again, the smartphone is not on sale yet, so we don't have real sample photos. There are some images on official website, however, they are fake, you should not believe them. The last feature of DOOGEE S55 is battery. It has a capacity of 5500 mAh. There is no information about fast charging, but manufacturer promises up to 700 hours of standby time and 25 hours of playing video. This is very doubtful because even Hometown HD70 with 10,000 mAh battery has about 15 hours of playing video. Right now, we don't know the price of DOOGEE S55, however, it should be under $150 or even $100. Later, I will add official price and links where to buy this phone in description under this video. So, DOOGEE S55 is standard budget rugged phone for 2018. It doesn't offer anything special. From other side, if you are looking for budget rugged phone for everyday usage, it can be a good option. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.